and welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll cover how to use the Mattermost collab tool. If you'd like to see the other collab tools in action, you can check out the collab tools playlist by following the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. Mattermost is an open source messaging platform similar to Slack and Teams, and it has plenty of users across both the Space Force and the Air Force. To access the Mattermost collab tool, sign into Arcus, and once you're on the landing page, scroll through the Cloud Services carousel until you see the Mattermost tile. If you do not see the Mattermost tile, you may want to reach out to our support team. But if you do see it, go ahead and click on it, and Mattermost will open in another tab. Log in with Arcus, and from here, you will be able to join a team. If no teams are available to join, please contact your team admin for an invite. And once you've been added to a team, you will be able to browse channels, send messages, and just generally get your work done. Now, if you click this icon in the upper right, you can set your status. Let's do a custom one. You can edit your profile information. And when you're done, you can log out from Mattermost. If you have any questions or if you'd like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.